and I found this really toxic. Take this thing straight to your mind. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Vaishnavi Singh you're watching right now. And it's been a while since I have recorded a video. Obviously, yes, because I was busy in something and I am a procrastinator also. I accept it because without acceptance, there's nothing. Like, we cannot grow without acceptance, and my channel is all about I want to spread positivity and acceptance through the people, because there is a lot of negativity around the world, and I want to be a source, a mini source of positivity and acceptance, because I've been through a lot. All the reason is this negativity I have seen, I've experienced, and I found this really toxic for myself, for my mental health. So I want everything to be positive. The surrounding, the nature, even if I can bring a little change, I would be grateful in your life, like for happiness, for positivity and acceptance. So why am I talking a lot about this acceptance? I have faced a lot of things. I have been through a lot because I wasn't accepting myself the way I should. I wasn't happy with myself for a long period of time. Still, I'm struggling and I'm finding it hard to do it. But the moment you find the problem, that like this is the problem, that's where you start solving that problem. So I have found this problem, and now let's solve it. Accept yourself doesn't mean accepting like it comes from self-love or after this self-love starts. Both of these things are interconnected. When you start accepting yourself, that's when you start loving yourself. When you start loving yourself, you start to do things for your own self. Like, these are the things which makes me happy internally. And I don't have to just pretend that I'm happy. Laughing is not happiness. Happiness is when you're content with your mind, that like, I'm doing great in life, I'm happy with myself, mostly myself. Others will play their different roles, positive and negative. That's not in your control. Take this thing straight to your mind. Others' actions are not in your control, but what is in your control is your action. So just being happy with whatever I am doing. I am overthinking, I'm overreacting, I'm over talking, I'm over pretending, like anything I'm doing, it's my personality. This is how I am. Accept it or not, but I'm gonna be this way. And I am happy with myself. Yes, if I'm happy, I will be content, and I would not need other people to certify that you are a good person. Good person is a myth. There is nothing like good person. Everyone is good in their own way. They are doing good for themselves. So stop criticizing yourself and stop pointing out the flaws in yourself, insecurities. Everyone has. A short girl, like a tall girl, just let me clear it out. This is so basic. A girl who has curly hair wants that straight hair. A girl who is slim wants to gain weight. A girl who has gained weight wants to lose weight. Someone wants to lose weight, someone wants to gain. A girl who has curly hair wants to have that straight hair. A girl who has short hair wants that long hair. A girl who has volumized hair a lot, like She wants thin hair because that can be a reason of headache. A girl who is like, who is confident, a girl who is underconfident wants to be the confident one. A girl who doesn't know how to dance, she wants to learn, but on the other hand, she is good in academics. A girl who is good at dance is not good at academics. She wants to be good at. So everyone wants to be good at every damn thing. And everyone wants to have everything, which is not possible at all. You cannot have curly and straight hair at the same time. You cannot have everything. So take this thing straight, like we cannot have everything. Stop realizing that FOMO, I will miss that, I will miss that. No. And we cannot have everything. So start accepting what you have and start appreciating. We all are creations of God, and God cannot make ugly things. We are normal people. We can make, if we are making something which that thing can be ugly, but God, do you think that God can make ugly things? No. Everyone is beautiful in their own way. Their beautiful mind. Eyes are always beautiful. It doesn't matter how it looks. Like face, hair. What is this beautiful creation God has made? Like face, eyes, nose, lips, hair. And it all looks beautiful. It's all, amazing. And the most important line I would tell you for accepting yourself will be what? Look around. Look around and tell me who is that person who is perfect. Tell me one person name who is perfect and have everything. Look around, no one is perfect. So why would you pretend to be perfect? Accept yourself. That is the beauty in yourself. Like, uniqueness is the beauty. If my all fingers will be same, what does these will make difference? So some fingers we use to point out someone, some finger we use to tika, and some finger we use for ring finger. Like, everything has their own work. So start accepting yourself. Know your qualities. Enhance your qualities. Be happy with those, because that is why you are meant. That is the purpose of your life. That is the worth that you, like, if I am an overthinker person, at the same time I'm a creative person. I like to create things. I like to paint, create something. I like to just talk. So I am doing what is my purpose. I paint because not everyone can. I can put mehendi, beautiful mehendi. Not everyone can. I can talk confidently, which is something which is also what should I call it? A good quality. It needs confidence to talk. And that's all my purpose. So I can dance as well. I have so many qualities that's I desire. So I cannot be that calm person who doesn't think, who doesn't get bothered when someone says something to her, or who doesn't care about other people. I cannot be that person who doesn't think about others, or who is slow and mindful. No, I am always in hurry, and that's my quality. I think when I'm in hurry and I'm completing something, a task, after that I'm so calm. That's the way, that's the method of my personal method. So try to know your own method, what makes you feel good and happy, and also beneficial for your own life, for your purpose, for getting successful. What is your purpose? What are the things which makes you feel like, wow, I have done this? If no one is watching you doing that, still you are happy with that. What are the things? Start doing those. I guess I have talked enough in today's video. And something nature is something like when I look at the sky, it feels like I am so connected with nature and I feel calm. On the other hand, people in room feel like they are calm, they are resting, but I want to be connected with the nature, and that's what my personality is. So I am also trying to know my personality, and life is all about figuring it out every time. So hope you are content with whatever I have said, and hope it makes a little bit difference in your life. If it does, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel.